So everyone, welcome back to another video. First, now I'm gonna show you the Lego Carnival where everybody has fun. Now we're gonna start off with the ticket counter. Uh, it it has such a big prize. I don't know why, but it has, and you can win a suitcase also. I don't know why it could need a suitcase. And look at this kid. He is happy because he got a book. Who likes books? And look, there are two teddy bears on the sides. I almost knocked the whole carnival over. And look at the carnival's symbol. And what is a flower doing up there? Now I'm going to show you the parade. And there's a cameraman who put the new carnival opening on the carnival show. Yes, there is a carnival show in Lego. This is a whole parade. And look at all the people. They have the symbol on their chests. And I don't know why, but this guy is blind. I think that's why he is wearing Santa Claus's hat. And then we have another batch of people over here protecting the night. I think so. And then we have here our second mascot, Captain Hook, and the train driver riding. I don't know why a girl is riding, but it will be fine until never goes and nothing goes. Next is the Lego ice cream shop. Yes, Lego people eat food. Look, first this guy is sitting up there. And second, why are there ice cream cones on the top of a building? What the heck? It's giving total headache. And this is asking the shop for an ice cream. And the owner sitting up there. Next, we are gonna show you the dining. I don't know why this girl is holding two giant cups. But it's fine until nothing goes wrong. She's eating, I think, noodles and sandwiches stacked on and barbecue. And she's eating barbecue and drinking 3 glasses of juice. What the heck? Next we got on our list is the circus. I don't know why that clown is dancing on the top. But it's okay because he's a clown. And I don't know why because this whole circus tent is made out of roof tiles. Next on the list we've got the slides. Our first slide is the small batch of slides. Yeah, it's a little boring, but it's really cool. When the children slide down, they come here the door closes and the car goes vroom vroom. I don't know why I said vroom vroom. Next we have the Thunderman slide. Now this is the big boy ones. You need to climb this, sit in the boat, then and go down the giant slide and face the dirt. I don't know what will happen. Who will ride this? Probably he's gonna get crushed. Next on the list we've got the Thunder Coaster. This is another big boy one. It spins around. It's stealthy and it's dangerous. I don't know why I say stealthy every time, but it's fine. It even has got a flower on its back? Why are there flowers growing everywhere, man? And there are two children singing. Wait, is she the driver? No, the drivers must have been lost. Next on the list, we've got the East Rider spot. I don't know why this girl is riding polar bear and this girl's feeding the polar bear hay, but it's fine until nothing goes wrong. And what is the police thing? And police is thinking that the horse will eat her. What the heck is going on in this park? Next we have the weather detector. Yeah, it's really boring, but it has a trash can also. Yeah, lame. And look, the weather needs to change. It needs to rain. I thought it will be night time. So that can wrap it up for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video.